Okay, our visit to the shelter again. So we will we started earlier, but I forgot to press video and play, and all I did was talking to my phone. So here we go again. Right, let's go. You will have to bear with me because I probably will go ass over tit with the stuff on the floor. And this is made, it's got, I don't know, what would you say it is?
It's like a ceramic pot.
But that's in really good condition.
I think it's for telegraph. Like Morse code.
Yeah. Okay, we have a ventilation shaft up there. Okay, we're going to turn the light off and we'll show you how dark it is. Would you really want to sit in this? No, I don't think so. Put the light on, please. Thank you. And another one. I'm actually back because I can see, because there's an opening just round here, so that shines some light in. I wonder if this was the toilet.
Oh, there's no plumbing though, is there?
No, there's no plumbing. It's all round. And we have like a gully. Now, is that for having a wee or a poo?
Or for drainage for
the rain? Well, why would you want to wash your hands in mucky water if somebody's weeding it?
No.
You wouldn't want to do that, would you, Beatrice?
No.
Stop turning the light off. Now I'm going to trip over because these big blocks of wood. Now turn it on. No, turn it on properly, please.
That's all.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Another ventilation.
Red one.
Yeah.
Yeah, someone sprayed it. It's behind. It's red.
No, it's not red. It's sprayed, Beatrice. It is red.
There's red behind it though. Me and Saul thought it was sprayed.
Another opening.
That I did.
See, that's a cleaner opening than the other one. Okay, I can't see anything, thank you. Are you doing that on purpose, so I trip over?
It's to show you what it would be like if you'd have come down here with no lighting.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh,
Another opening. I wonder how many it held. Well, if it's for the ironworks, then obviously it would be for quite a lot of people, wouldn't it?
You get 3 easily. You probably get 50 in a thing if you have to squeeze people in.
Yeah. Do you think they would be better? Oh my goodness! Oh. Thank you.
Well done.
Nearly swore.
I nearly swore then, so you. If you've got headphones on, I do apologise.
And this one. Hello. 2 on it, so one on the bottom, a broken one on the top, and
a massive
a
spider.
spring.
Mm.
There's a sea on the sea. There's a massive spider. There.
I nearly wet myself.
Oh, yeah,
Another opening.
Go back to the start. You can change the start. Because we think you get 50 people per chamber.
Even you.
Yeah. No, not Hannah, just these.
And me and you go this way. We'll come through after you.
Can I have some light, please? Thank you. They just look like dead ends.
They do, definitely.
And we've come to the end. Thank you for watching.